It's always fun when we're cooking with Fizzy. Fun animal shapes with our sandwich, vegetables, and snacks. A dog riding a bicycle. Fizzy Fun House.
Whoa, Fizzy! I see a goat, a dinosaur, a capybara, and a puppy dog. What's going on?
Phoebe, I have a special surprise for you today.
What is it? What is it?
We're making an animal-themed lunch for you.
Oh, I cannot wait!
Fizzy, Wizzy, Bubbzy, Bop.
Wow, Fizzy, I see my lunchbox. But, what are these things right here?
They're to make fun animal shapes with our sandwich, vegetables, and snacks. Miss Hands, give us a hand. Hi, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. And today we are making an animal-themed lunch. Look, we can use these to make a kitty cat and a duck sandwich, a pig and a bear sandwich. We have a bone and a paw to make fun shapes. And we even have these little forks we can put in the snacks. And we have a few more surprises.
Oh, what are the other surprises, Miss Hands?
We have some fun snacks coming up, and we have stickers to decorate Phoebe's lunchbox. We have food like this watermelon. It's okay. A beautiful flower, a sweet little heart, a polar bear. We need this for this animal-themed lunch. A crown, a beautiful leaf, elephants, and they glow in the dark. We'll check that out later. Let's put them on the lunch too. A big chick. Chirp, 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 chirp. We can put that on the lunch. A jellyfish. That can go on there. A dog riding a bicycle. Maybe we can fit that on there. Super pug. Maybe that can go on there. Pumpkin spice. A hot dog. Here's a dog wearing a lobster costume. A cute little corgi wearing a bow tie. Wait a minute! What is it, Fizzy? I think we have too many stickers. They're not gonna all fit on there. Fizzy, you're right. Okay, let's pick our favorites.
Oh, this is going to be tough. I love the doggy, dressed like a lobster. Okay. The hot dog, that's hilarious. Pumpkin spice. Oh, the jellyfish. This big chick, dog on the bicycle. And I think we need some food. So let's add this watermelon.
Okay, Phoebe, I'm gonna see if they can all fit. Let's start with the big chick and put it right in the center of your lunchbox. Whew, it barely fit. It's so big. Let's take our pumpkin spice. Put it right over here. And I think the jellyfish can go right next to it. Perfect. Watermelon's up next. We'll put it right in the center here. That's a big sticker. Hot dog next. Right over here. And our dog riding a bicycle. We'll go right over here. That looks so fun.
Now it's time to make the sandwich.
Yes, let's go ahead and take off the top of your lunchbox. And we need to fill it up. We need 2 pieces of bread. And we'll put peanut butter and jelly on them. First, the peanut butter. And now the jelly. It's strawberry jelly. Okay, we put the 2 pieces together, just like this. And now we can make animal shapes. I'm going to press this in here. Really, really hard. Press our duck in here. Press in the pig. And let's see if there's room for our bear. Okay, we have all of our shapes pressed into the sandwich. Okay, let's look at our little kitty cat shape. Aw, look how adorable it is. It turned out really great. And now let's see this little bear. There's our little bear face. It has some jelly on it. Time for our duck. Oh, our little duck is so cute. And time for our pig. There's the little piggy. We'll put all of our little sandwiches in our lunchbox. Up next, we have watermelon. Never use a knife and let an adult help you if you want to cut something. We can use these little cookie cutters and make shapes. I made a little dog bone. We'll put that in the lunch. I can use this shape and make a little paw. I can even use this and make a tiny little dinosaur shape. I'm going to make a bunch more of the bones and the paws. And we'll put all of these in the lunchbox. Let's put our little elephant in our watermelon. We can add a little frog to the watermelon. And now I have a cucumber. I'm going to slice it. And now I can take this same bone shape and press it right in here. And now I have a bone cucumber for our lunch. And I have this bone shape too. I can take this carrot, put my cookie cutter in there. And now I have the perfect size bone to go into my cucumber. How fun is that? So that's going in our lunch. And now I can take this cucumber and this paw, cut out a little paw print. There's the paw right there. Put it in the lunch. And now I have a carrot. I'm gonna make the same shape. And let's go ahead and put this carrot in here. And now we have a little paw inside of our cucumber. And roar! I'll put this little lion in our cucumbers. I also have this super fun snack that's shaped like paws. We can put the paws in here. We also have goldfish. Fish are animals too. Look at all the different colors of the goldfish. I see green, I see orange, and I see yellow. And they're going in the lunch. And for dessert, we have some gummies. These gummies are shaped like little bunnies. They're gummy bunnies, and they're going in the lunch too. Time to close up our lunch.
Wait a minute! We forgot one of the stickers!
Oh, Phoebe, I think we did.
Do you guys remember which sticker it is? It's the dog, dressed like a lobster.
It's so cute, Phoebe, but we don't really have any room left. Let's save this for your next lunch.
Oh, that sounds good! Is this all going in that dinosaur lunch bag?
Yes, it is, and there's one more surprise. Roar, roar, roar!
Oh, it's a dinosaur ice pack!
That's right. It'll keep everything nice and cold.
This has been so much fun, making my lunch.
Yeah, it's always fun when we're cooking with Fizzy. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope you have a Fizzy fantastic day.
And we will